Welcome to Caching Waves. This is an Elliott Wave update for HBAR. I just wanted to make it clear that we're not completely out of the woods yet on this being a ending diagonal as an A, B, C, in which case we would look for consolidation to the right, getting dragged out as a B wave before our C wave to the upside. So we're right at that moment where this is either going to invalidate or follow through. But my primary, if we get one more wave up, is that we are making a ABC to the upside with a flat in between. We had a short C wave and we're looking for 5 waves up to the upside from here. Currently targeting between the 1-to-1 at 18.6 cents and 34 cents on the higher end if we extend up to the 1.618. And that's taking from the pivots of our B wave, where this is a flat pattern as an ABC. I will say I don't like the symmetry of it, obviously the length of that C wave, but I have to be open to the fact that it's possible because these are 3-wave patterns in here. It's my best way of counting it, and have this as an ending diagonal, a 335. So we'll go down to the smaller time frames and see what we need to do to complete this potential. And that is we need one more wave to the upside. So go down to the hourly. Target's hitting nicely. I believe last video we were just waiting for this final little move to the upside to complete our third wave. We got that. And right now we have a wave 1, 2, 3 completed, looking for our 4 to complete and our 5th wave up to switch probabilities that our count is correct. We hit the 2.618 extension of wave 1 off the 2 pretty much to the T. Now one thing to consider, more of a guideline, but we had a very short wave 2, so we could get a deep wave 4 if we get alternation, which would mean this is just making a ABC on the micro, and we could get a 1-to-1 extension of this A, B, C. So we could come a little deeper between the 382 and the 50. We'll have to wait and see what pans out here. Or we could go with what tends to happen in crypto and just get a move up in 3s and make some sort of flat, and then we get our 5th wave up. Won't know until it happens. Nobody knows. We're just tracking along best we can for this one. Importantly, we hold above the 50 though of this wave 4, holding ideally the 382, holding previous resistance as support. Now invalidation is the overlap of wave 1, but we shouldn't get past the 50 for a standard wave 4. Won't be able to target this until we get our 4th in. How I will do that is take our wave 1 and project it off of our wave 4 wherever that ends, looking for the 1-to-1 extension. If it is in now, that would be up about 12.67 cents. Which lines up for our first wave, wave 1 of our wave C, which is at 12.6 cents. So I look for the 0.618 extension of the previous wave, if you're unaware. So we have quite a bit of confluence right there. And after that, expecting a wave 2 to the downside, again holding previous 4th wave support before we move up to that 4th wave. So complete invalidation of this count is at this B wave low at 6.74 cents. And there is, let me zoom out here. So yeah, if we just reverse from here, I would consider that our 5th wave in and looking for much bigger consolidation when we break that level. Again, only because these are 3-wave patterns, and right now we have 3. Just want to get that point across. So if this happens to start breaking levels, then we have to consider the option, okay, this was actually a diagonal. We just had kind of a blow off top. And once we get that wave up to the upside, I'll be much more confident that this count is accurate. But looking good for now. And I'll make sure to update this all week. I have a pretty large bag myself, so looking forward to see how this pans out. All right, guys, that's it for HBAR. If you want to get your updates on Twitter, I am at caching_waves. I just repost the videos there. Check out today's playlist if you want and subscribe for updates. Thanks for watching.